Hi guys, this is 2007 Toyota Hiace. So 1 kd engine. We're going to do today change for the transmission fluid. You can see the transmission lifting. It says transmission fluid is T4. So here's the underneath of the transmission. This is the cable side. So we need to off this the transmission pan and this 14 mil the bolt into off the taking out all the fluid. All the oil very dark. So we're going to off this all 10 mil bolts. You can see in here. You have to off that one. Okay, you can see the filter in here. Okay, going to off the transmission filter. Okay, here the transmission with the valve body. So we need to flush the transmission because already dark color getting the oil. So we need to do the transmission flush. So they have a lot of metal in the transmission filter. Inside, you can see in here. Okay, with the sump, here there is a gasket in here. You have to magnet in here. Okay, you can see the transmission is this side. So you can see the underneath of the valve body. Okay guys, here's the sump. We clean it. The filter is a new transmission filter. So the sump clean. They have coming two magnet in here and the gasket. So we're going to install the transmission filter. So I'm going to put the pan. Okay, put the gasket in between in here. So I got to tight all the bolts, 10mm bolt here. Okay guys, we finally tied all the 10mm bolt here. So then I have to put back the sump nut. Okay, then final step, we have to put the oil in it. Okay, we're going to put the transmission fluid. So this is the transmission fluid. It's a multi-vehicle semi-synthetic. It's saying Toyota the T4 oil in here. So put my transmission fluid pump in here and hook up the battery. It's getting nearly 6 liters. So we're going to check the transmission fluid level. Since the engine is running, car is starting, and we change the gears to the drive. Drive it, left. Then after we take it out the dipstick. Okay. You can see the level. It's the cold. This is the cold level, and this is the hot level. So core level is level is okay. Okay, after running the car, we checked again the level. Okay, you can see the level here, the hot level. It's okay. So engine is running fine, all good, no issue. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. See you in the next one.